Hey everyone, my name is Stephanie. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be going through my night routine while traveling for work. So we'll go ahead and get right into it. So I pretty much do the same thing every time I get to a hotel when I'm traveling for work. First things first is just kind of like crack open my suitcase, get my laptop out. I do travel with a personal laptop. I have an away suitcase, so it's pretty easy. Just kind of slide it in there. And then on the way to the hotel, I had already picked up some food from Whole Foods. So main thing is like crack the suitcase open, get laptop out, and kind of just start to get ready for the scope of the evening. So I changed into comfy clothes, put my food up that I bought. I like to get snacks for the week and also my dinner from Whole Foods. So I put up anything that's perishable into the mini fridge, and then yeah, so I'll do that right now. This is a little mini grocery haul for the week. Turkey jerky to snack on. Oh, I just saw these there. I haven't had these. These are the Hippies like tortilla chip type things. Blackberries, sumo oranges because obviously, 2 different kombuchas, granola. I usually don't get this brand of granola, but the one that I usually get was sold out. I usually get Love Crunch, and then some Icelandic skyr yogurt, or however you say that. So after I changed to my comfy clothes, queued up something to watch. I usually watch like a travel video on YouTube, maybe Netflix or something like that. I like eat my dinner, chill out for a little bit, and then get on with the rest of the night. I finished eating dinner. It's 7:30 p.m. right now. I guess I should have said I got to the hotel. It was 6:38 when I got up to my room. So it's been about an hour since I've been here. So just finished dinner, just drinking some water, gonna chill out. So when I'm traveling for work, I end up eating dinner before I work out, just because of the timing of the day and blah, blah, blah. Where like typically if I were at home, and I got home around like 6 or so, I would have a small snack and then go work out after that and then come back and eat a full dinner. But I just kind of flip it when I'm traveling, and I end up eating a dinner closer to like 6 or 7 and then going to work out. So I usually go work out around 9 p.m. Which might seem like pretty late, but that's just kind of my routine at this point. Work out from about 9 to 10, something like that, like 9:45 to 10, and then come back and shower, change pajamas, etc., etc. Oh, and I'm wearing some blue light blocking glasses from Warby Parker. I know you can get a ton of super cheap blue light blocking glasses, but I just like really like these flames from Warby Parker, and I figured it's a proper pair of glasses as opposed to getting some like cheaper pairs from Amazon or something. And I appreciate Warby Parker's business model and concept, so I decided to splurge on my blue light blocking glasses. So it's around 9 p.m. right now. I would typically go work out, but yesterday I just did too much. There's a lot happening. I teach yoga, and I ended up teaching 3 heated classes kind of back to back yesterday. So I'm actually still incredibly dehydrated from doing that. So I've decided to not work out tonight to, you know, keep hydrating, conserve some of my water and all those things. So instead of working out, I'm starting to just kind of slowly get ready for bed. I'm about to take my supplements, you know, just watching some YouTube videos, get my blue light glasses on. I'll probably start to edit one of my own videos in a few minutes. But yeah, so I'm just gonna start taking my supplements, and then the big part of my night is, you know, doing my skincare and all of that. So yeah, we'll check in when I'm more solidly moving towards bedtime. Another big part of my night routine is actually just turning the lights down in my room when I'm getting ready for bed. So I'd already turned off some of the other lights in here, but just to really start to bring the mood down, let my body know time to go to bed. And then another thing that I use is when I'm traveling, I use a room spray. So this is the Zoom Mist room spray. I get it at Whole Foods. This is the lavender and frankincense. I've actually taken this on a plane before. It's 4 ounces. Nothing happened. I'm not saying break the rules, don't break the rules, but it has made it through TSA a few times, so do with that information what you will. But I also use this because when I'm at home, I'll usually light a candle or something like that. I feel like smells also really help me just kind of get ready for bed. So since I'm not gonna light a candle in a hotel, room sprays are really good. Or even like, I know they make like smaller little sprays too, so you can definitely find a bottle that's like 3 ounces, or you can even mix your own that's 3 ounces. So I like to spray this like on the sheets, just in the room, to just give the room a nice little vibe, a little smell that is more familiar than just kind of what a hotel room smells like, which is like not really anything, or at least like kind of the big brand ones. I was at the Hoxton in Chicago and that room smelled amazing. I thought I was gonna like show my actual night routine, like my skincare in this video, but I'm actually not gonna do that. I just started using all the Drunk Elephant products, so I'm making a separate video about using these. So tonight I'm gonna be using the Jelly Cleanser and the glycolic acid and the moisturizer, as well as the marula face oil. So that is the plan for tonight. Okay, it is 10:08. I'm all oiled up, okay, Drunk Elephant on the face. Ready for bed now. So I usually read for, it kind of depends on what time I'm going to bed. So I could read for like 8 minutes, I could read for 30 minutes, just kind of depending on what time I'm going to sleep. I try to give myself at least an 8-hour window, 7 to 8 hour window for sleep. So I just, depends on what time I'm actually getting into bed and like going to sleep. So like tonight I could literally read for an entire hour. I'm not gonna do that, but I could. So since I'm going to bed earlier, I might just wake up earlier in the morning. Today was just so chill, it was kind of ridiculous. I'm usually not like this chill, but I needed this chill day after my yoga mishaps yesterday. So so for tonight, gonna go to bed. So yeah, so that's kind of the end of my little night routine here. Hope it was enjoyable.